Phil, I think we need to talk. You're smothering me. I need room to grow.
But I thought we...
You just don't do it for me anymore.
But Honey Pie...
Let's face it, Phil. I have a bright future and, well, you're garbage.
Coquitlam is introducing a new waste management system that will help us all reduce the amount of garbage that we send to landfills. The new system is good for our community, our residents, and our environment. It begins on July 1st.